Greetings, y'all. It's Belle from Folkers. Are you getting ready to build a new home? Maybe you're adding on that fabulous Florida room you've been wanting. If a project is in your future, you should know the local building codes have increased with respect to your home's strength and hurricane preparedness. You have to be sure the people you've entrusted with your home are knowledgeable, experienced, and, well, let's just say it helps if they know what they're doing. Folkers knows building codes like Kobe knows basketball, and we'll be with you and your project from first inception to final inspection. And Folkers installers are, well, Folkers folks. That means no subcontractors. It's our family working with your family. So sit back, relax, get yourself an iced tea, and noodle around our website for a while. Spend some time in our gallery. There's just so much to see. And if you have a question, we're only a click away. Or kick it old school and give us a call. The number's right up there, over to the right. There you go. We look forward to talking with you.